How to fix Gmail not receiving emails. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up Gmail application in your mobile device. Sign into your account. Once signed in, tap on the three-line icon. Scroll below, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, you want to go ahead and simply select your email account. After that, scroll below, then simply find Sync Gmail and make sure this option is checked or enabled. After that, head back to your home screen and long press on Gmail app, tap on Remove app, tap on Delete app, then tap on Delete again. Once deleted, open the App Store and just like that, reinstall the application. And just like that, if that does not fix, make sure your Gmail application is updated. Search for Gmail in the App Store and now simply tap onto it. If it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.